Hey y'all, hopefully it's not too windy or too shaky. Trying out a selfie stick, so maybe that'll improve the video quality, maybe being able to hold the phone further out and all of that stuff. This one also you can set up as a tripod, so that ain't gonna be the sturdiest thing, but it might be handy for doing different things. And it's got a clicker on here where I can start and stop the video, so that's cool. Anyway, before we get into all of the video here, first off, there's been a lot of things going on lately. Virginia here finally went red. You can see some stuff in the background I need to clean up out of the yard there. Fall cleaning and all that kind of stuff. Just seems like between me and the kids, it's always a bunch of stuff around. Anyway, off of that, Virginia finally went red again. I couldn't believe it. I never would have thought that would happen, but that is a good thing, and hopefully it'll be a turnaround for us, be a turnaround for the country. Maybe if Virginia can go back red again, maybe some other blue states can flip as well. Anyway, most of y'all know that I've been down with a stomach bug or whatever it was for a while. That was really about as rough as I've felt in a long time. It took me about 4 good days to get over it. Then a day or two is kind of iffy, but about 4 good days to get over that stuff. But we're doing good now. My wife's been hopping around for the last few weeks. She tore her knee out of place, and it doesn't look like it wants to heal. She's been to the doctor a couple times. She's got to go back again next week and see how it's doing. So it's swelling up a lot, and she's walking with a crutch, so she's really been down. So I've been trying to hold down the fort, you know, cooking and cleaning and the farm stuff and everything like that. So been a lot going on. I was hoping to be able to get some videos, but just haven't been able to do that. So hopefully I can get some stuff together, start live streaming again. I just hadn't had the time or the ability lately to do it. Like I said, with her being down with her knee like that, it's hard for her to take the kids, for me to live stream and stuff like that. So hopefully she'll get well soon and we can resume where we left off. Anyway, point of the video today, last week it was cold. We had our first frost and everything. This week it's a lot warmer again. It's in the 60s and maybe lower 70s, stuff like that. Pretty nice weather. As you can see, I'm in a t-shirt again. But winter is coming. I hate winter. A lot of things go along with that. But anyway, I've got the tractors running right now. I'm going to do some stuff with the green one. Letting the red one run because I hadn't ran it in a while, since it's, you know, the grass is quit growing relatively. We blocked the cows off into just the one pasture. So I'm not having to move the water around and carry water to them and stuff. So it's just been sitting for, I don't know, a couple weeks. Crank it up and let it run a while. Also, I'm going to put some of this in here. If you get diesel stuff, it's a good idea to put in. This is Power Service brand diesel fuel supplement. It's a winterized and anti-gel type stuff. I bought this in the big container. The smaller container was pretty much the same price. I think this was $3 or $4 more. So I went ahead and got the big one. We'll add a little bit to both tractors and try to prevent that nasty winter stuff. All right. Alright, now we're going to go and turn the compost pile a little bit. Alright, so there we go on that. Not the ideal way to turn it. I mean, it's not as good as if you could, get up under all of it and completely turn it, but it does help. This has gotten dry. I need to bring the water hose out here and wet it down. That'll help some, but it has, a lot of it has started breaking down. Still got a lot to go and all, but oh well. I think they want some more hay.